And welcome back, YouTube family and friends. It's your boy, MastermindX, back with another video for you. A little bit of a discussion piece here because we got a few new things happening. First and foremost, you might see we're in the new lair. We got new digs. Look at that. We got the Champion Club behind us, man. We're in the new session. It's great. So let's talk about two big things that happened so far in the month of December. So if everybody's been collecting their Star Wars Advent Calendar, you'll know that we got 3 new pieces out of there that were minifigs. And I was super excited about one, kind of bummed out about another, and then the other one's like, meh, you know, whatever. So let's talk about them one by one. The very first one I was super excited about is we got this Darth Vader. He's got some flippers, like, I don't know what you call them, like scuba gear flippers. Can we see that real good there? Got scuba gear flippers on Vader. He's got himself a nice little sunset. He looks like Scarface, little Tony Montana action there on the chest. And it is a 2-piece helmet. Comes off here and it reveals the scarred up head of Anakin. Pretty cool piece there. So we definitely got him out of there. That was pretty cool. And then the second piece that I was like, meh. Oh, before we go on, comes with a little beach volleyball here. A lot of people were saying that this was a football. However, it's not because it's pure white. It's Wilson. This is not football. I know it's like FIFA World Cup right now, but this is beach volleyball. So the other one that we got, C-3PO. This was the meh one. I kind of dig it in his little blue outfit there. He's, let me see if I can get that to focus for you. He's pretty cool. It does have R2-D2 there on his little ugly sweater, Christmas sweater vest. So that's a nice little addition that you'll only get out of this Advent Calendar. Alright, so now for the meat and potatoes. Why I'm bummed out. And a lot of people are probably excited about it. But if you're like me and you spent $350, $399, depending on when you bought it, for the Ultimate Collector Series or UCS gunship, you paid a lot to get one of these figures. Clone Commando. So this Commander clone, now that they're giving out to every single person who bought a Advent Calendar, everybody's got one now. It's not unique anymore to that set, and I believe one other set back in the day had it, but most people got theirs, and it was a sign of, you know, kind of like honor to get that out of that UCS gunship. But now everybody's got a Clone Commander. Alright guys, so with that out of the way, we did get other news after the Advent Calendar stuff's done. I wanted to talk about 3 new sets that were basically all but confirmed because we got box art. And, you know, your boy MastermindX took a little notes because he's getting older in his age. So we're going to go through that for you here. The 3 new sets, the first one is 75344. This is Boba Fett Starship Microfighter. Bah! This is going to be 85 pieces. It's going to retail, suggested retail for $9.99. So this is just going to be like the Millennium Falcon, the Razor Crest that we had. There was a Y-Wing, I believe, that had Zora Bliss in it. I believe that's her name, Zora Bliss. Check it and edit. And there was also, I believe, a First Order Speeder that was done in this micro series. But that's pretty cool. Definitely getting that one. We're excited. The second one, I know a lot of people do mocks or MOCs and different play sets, very expanded scenes, you know, I haven't really gotten into that, but I think people are going to get excited for this because it is, yes, set number 75345, and that is the 501st Clone Trooper Battle Pack. So, people like their battle packs because you get a lot of minifigs. It helps in the building of those mock play sets. You know, you need a ton of troops if you want to make an epic battle. So with this, for small price, $19.99, Great for them. 119 pieces. You get 1 specialist, 501st, 1 officer, and 2 heavy troopers out of that. And I think there's also some sort of little ion cannon type blaster. It'll probably have, you know, the little brick shooter on it too. So that's 75345. Look for that one. Probably get it because I'm a collector. But again, I think most of the people that are going to be excited for that is the ones that do the big mock sets. So, and the last one, which is, I thought, the weirdest set for us to get at this point in time, since we've had now Obi-Wan Kenobi show, we've had Book of Boba Fett, Mandalorian, and then, what's the new one coming, guys? Give it to me. It's, Bad Batch Season 2. Super excited about it. So, you know, you got Omega coming back with their boys. It's going to be a great time. They had so many different sets and opportunities to go through there. Of course, we did have, you know, the Fives and all their ships, you know, the clone ship. We had Mando's new N1 speeder. Andor did have the Ambush on Ferrix set. A lot of ships came out of these, but there were still so many different new ones I think that they could have done. But the last one here, can anybody guess it, or has anybody seen it? You've seen it for T-minus 2.5 seconds, I'm going to say, on Empire Strikes Back, after Han Solo decides to fly into the asteroid field, and Vader says, "I want that ship, asteroids don't bother me." That's right, you guessed it. It is the set 75347. It is the TIE Bomber. It's going to be 625 pieces. Suggested retail, not bad, $64.99. It's going to include Vader, Vice Admiral Sloan. So we did another video, and I did mention Chuck Wendig's book series into it, Empire's End, and all those that came with that. There was a 3-book series. I'll put it posted here. I believe actually it was our A-Wing video that we had. It was the A-Wing that was with... Oh, I can see the actor's name now, but I'm going to get it for you guys in post. Don't worry. And then, yeah, that one. So you'll have that. Vice Admiral Sloan is from that series. She is kind of like the new head bad guy, since at this point of the timeline, if you follow canon stuff, Vader's gone. Emperor Palpatine's gone. So she's kind of like the new bad guy, trying to collect the last remnant pieces of the Empire and start up what we would see in The Force Awakens as the First Order. So we'll get one of those. Vice Admiral Sloan. She looks pretty cool. A TIE pilot, TIE bomber pilot. So it'll be interesting to see in the mock-ups. Can't really see too much, but I'll try and zoom in how this one differs from the other TIE pilots that we've had. And then last but not least, we're going to get a Gronk droid. What everybody wants, right? A nice little Gronk droid. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, we got 3 new sets coming down the way. Keep opening your advent calendar. We're going to get through the holidays. We're enjoying, like I said, the new studio here. It's looking pretty cool. And we're just having fun with it, guys. Keep liking, subscribing, share the channel with your friends, family. We'd love to have new people come in. Watch our videos, enjoy, talk with us, discuss Star Wars, Legos, nerd culture, food, anything. It's a new year, it's a new you, it's a new channel. We love it. Peace.